Alright, so we're going to start off by taking off my ring. I'm not going to put on my headband today because my hair is up, and we're going to be priming with the Urban Decay Optical Illusion Primer. I've been trying this out for a week or two now. I've been jamming with it. I like it. It has been the most drama-filled last few days of my life. I'm just getting my towel. Just get something on there, and I did moisturize my skin with the Clean and Clear dual action moisturizer. So I'm a little terrified of this because I'm really worried about the shade. It is the Catrice HD Liquid Coverage Foundation in 10 Light Beige. It's got one of those weird droppers, and I'm just scared. So I'm going to start off by trying to use my sponge, so good luck to me. This is like super watery. It's like running down my sponge. Oh no, that looks kind of dark. I think on camera it's showing up like normal, but oh shit. It's pretty dark. And of course the one day I decide to wear like a cute tank top is the day I decide to use a foundation that does not match me. Okay, this is pretty dark, but it is blending. So, I mean, you take some where you can get it. It's like really sitting on my skin. It's not really like blending all the way in. What is going on with my neck right there? Well, that's awesome. The shade kind of sucks a lot. It's like really not working for me. But on top of that, the foundation in general is just kind of meh. You can really see it setting on my skin, especially like right here where I'm a little more dry. I mean, I'm not a fan of it so far, but I am going to be doing at least one check-in today because I'm getting to start early, so I mean, and if you see me the next few videos, I'm probably going to be wearing this like tank top. It has like a cute little keyhole you just can't see because my filming setup's so small. I kind of have to be like right up in your business. But I'll be wearing this in a few of the next videos because I'm pre-filming like a mofo today. So, like I've said, I'm pretty sure in every video we're moving and remodeling and all of that. So, I'm trying to get some videos stocked up for when all my shit's in boxes. Okay, so right off the bat, this shade is ridiculous. I don't think you can really tell, but this shade is at least 2 shades darker than my neck. It's a good undertone, and it has pretty light, maybe like low medium coverage, but pretty light coverage. It's not covering up any of my little problems I'm having, and it definitely is so the wrong shade, and I'm pretty sure this is the lightest shade. It is setting down really good, like it's coming to a powdery finish, it feels like. I'm going to take my Sigma F80 and a little bit more foundation, and I'm going to blend this like all the way down my neck. Oh my god, it's so dark. This is one of the biggest problems with being my skin tone. Like, what is happening right there? What is that? It's just a red dot. Anyway, when you're my skin tone, everybody, pretty much every foundation or concealer or face product you can find has pretty pale shades. They always have like porcelain and ivory, and then you get it and you look at it and you're like, this. Like, this at least named it correctly. This is a more beigey color, but I hate it when makeup brands have like a Blanc or an Ivory or Alabaster, and it's like super dark foundation. Alright, so I'm literally blending this all the way down my neck. I'm going to try to make this work. I am going to cut off this video and finish out my makeup, and I'll be back with a check-in here in a minute. Okay, so off the bat, the shade is terrible, but it is setting down. I don't know if I'm going to set my face today. I might just set where my concealer goes, because it's like setting down. It's not transferring onto my hand or anything, but I'm going to go put on the rest of my makeup, and then I'll be back with a check-in. Alright, see you in a minute. Okay, so my camcorder died, so I'm recording this on my phone, and the check-in will also be recorded on my phone. So I finished my makeup, and I think you can see a little bit better on my phone how much this does not match my skin tone. I blended it like all the way down my neck, like literally it's ending right here. It's way too dark on me. Yeah, it's way too dark on me. I used a lot of bronzer. Alright, so I'm outside in natural lighting to try to see if you guys can see this really bad color. Again, like, you can look at my arm and see it's not the right shade, but this is it in natural lighting. I do like the finish of it. I like that I didn't have to set it down. If it was the right shade, I'd be digging it. I might try mixing it with something next time I wear it, but I'll check in here again. I'll check in again here in a little bit. Okay, so we're back in natural lighting for a check-in, and you can see how dark this is. It's oxidized, but other than that, it's still good. It's not breaking up on my forehead or anything. Excuse under my eye, my eyeliner. I was testing out a new eyeliner and it did not work out. But you can just see it's the shade's so bad. I can't focus on anything else, and it's oxidized and gotten even darker. There's like a stripe down the side of my neck. So I'll be back in a few hours for the very last check-in of the night and for a wrap-up, but it's not looking too hot right now. Alright, so we're back. I've had this foundation on for about 7 hours, and I'm calling it a night because it's oxidized really badly. It's starting to break up a little bit. And it's just not wearing really well, although I will give it that it's staying pretty matte for a foundation that I didn't set. We ended up going to the park for a little bit and walking with my daughter, and I sweat quite a bit, so I will give it that. And there's not really creasing, but it's just starting to kind of break apart and not look as good, and of course it's oxidized. It was too dark to begin with, so now it's like solid 4 shades too dark on me, but you can tell if you look at my hand, like, it's really dark. So, what do you think, James?
What? I mean, other than it being dark, it still looks good.
So, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. Leave me a comment with what you want to see in the next video. And check my channel every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday for new videos at 8 a.m. Central Time. Bye, guys.